So good day everyone. We are the team oriented and today we are going to present the conceptual ERD or entity relationship diagram for the proposed system, which is multi-branch veterinary clinic management system. So to begin with, next slide please. So for the scenario, the proposed system, which is the multi-branch veterinary management system, aims to resolve the inefficiencies caused by the manual record keeping, appointment scheduling, and referral handling in the veterinary clinic, specifically located in Blue and Elsinore. So the proposed system is designed to improve how things are done in two specific areas. So the goal is to replace the outdated manual task, which will be the modern digital system that helps staff work faster, make fewer mistakes, and provide a better care for pet owners. So currently, pet records are stored in spreadsheets, which is inventory is manually tracked, and delays often occur during the referrals and follow-ups. So as it states, clinic still stores pet information in spreadsheets, as we all know that this is not secure and is hard to search through when there are many pets. And then on the top of that, this leads to accurate inventory. You might run out of stock and not knowing it's already low and or it's already out of stock. And then considering also for follow-up, it might be delayed or forgotten because the process isn't organized or tracked properly. So the system allows the super admins to create branches and register users, while veterinarian assess pets and directly book appointments. So it features a centralized database that stores medical records, tracks sales and inventory, and enables smooth referral for cases across branches.
So these are the identified entities in the multi-branch veterinary clinic management system. They present the core components that interact to support the clinic's daily operations. Each of these entities has several functions. Super admin, fully system control, create users, branches, inventory, and settings. Users, system users like vets, receptionists, or admins with role-based access. Branches, different clinic locations managed under the same system. Veterinarian provides medical care, handles, diagnosis, treatments, and medical reports. Next is receptionist, manage appointments, billing, and customer interaction. Pet owner, clients who brings pet for service and receives updates and reports. Pet animal receiving service has records like history and reports. So POS terminal are designated to operate POS terminals. Sales deducts inventory. Every service product sold reduces the available stock. Branch generate reports. Each branch.
First is branches. Branches generates reports. Branches offers services. Next is veterinarian. Delivers services, assess pet, books, follow-up appointment. And once the follow-up appointment is scheduled, the follow-up appointment generates SMS alert. SMS alert sends to pet owner. Next is pet owner. Pet owner owns pet. Pet owner avails services. Next is receptionist. Assign POS terminal. POS terminal generates receipt and sales. Sales deduct inventory. Inventory generates inventory reports. Inventory generates notification. Notification sends to super admin. And receive issues to pet owner.
Try to correct this one. So POS is not included since it is a part of a function which related to sales, which is the actual entity, right? And aside from that, does branches only offer services?
No.
Aside from that, what does the branches offer?
Products.
Okay, so services is also an entity, but in our diagram we didn't include the product as well. So we'll have the product connected with the branch, and then I see the reports are also not reports are also not I mean the inventory is not an entity as well, because inventory is a summary or state. It is not a standalone real world object, but it reflects the quantity status of the products, which is related to the product entity, which is not being identified with the diagram. So it's not included as well. So we'll have another here product, and as well as medical records. All the records are not included as an entity, no. Whereas for the notification as well, because it is also a function connected to the inventory. So it's only a notification and not it's generated by the system by the using the logic when a condition is met. Like for example, low stock, and then it will notify the both super admin and the user. So it doesn't store or manage any notifications at the same time at the same way as entities like sales and pet, no. And then yeah, I think we will change the word issues because it's something like not non related. I mean, pet owners issues. Well, at this moment, pet owners, according to the diagram, pet owner will issue and receipt, which is not the right term, right? So we'll change the word issues, and then we have here pet owner. Pet owner owns a pet, and then yeah, this is right. A pet owner is also a entity. Entity, yes. Mm. So here's a catch for the SMS alert. We considered it as a entity because although it triggers from the follow-up appointments, we also store the data in the database where we can see that the recipient received the message. Yeah, that's why we consider the SMS alert as an entity. Veterinarian, yes. Branches, super admin, and users, no relationship since it is connected with both receptionist and veterinarian. And then sales will directly generate receipt. And then pet owner will receive a receipt, no, and register. And aside from that, our coordinator also mentioned that it is not allowed to share same relationship to the other entity, which we apply it here, where super admin registered user as well as registered branches. Well, aside from connecting them in one relationship, we'll do another relationship for the branches and then another relationship for the users. New, and then another relationship for here. So since all the verbs, I think all the verbs was okay. From the assigned, it is not plural. Yeah, it's not plural. Some other relationship is not plural. Now let's move on to the our updated version of our conceptual framework. So there you go. Our conceptual ERD model. So we have here the super admin, which will create branches, and then as well as register, where users are veterinarian and receptionist. For the branches, it offers services, and then it also sells product, where pet owner will buy product at the same time avail some services, and then veterinarian will deliver the as well as pets owned by the pet owner. Because follow-up appointment, and then trigger SMS alerts, which pet owner will where pet owner receive some SMS updates. And for the receptionist, it was assigned with the sales, where product appears in sales, and then it generates a receipt, and then pet owner will have a receipt. So this is the whole process of the multi-branch veterinary clinic in terms of the conceptual ERD diagram. Yeah, ERD. So it makes simple, at the same time it's understandable with no repeated relationship. So each entity have its own relationship, as you can see in the diagram, and then yeah, it is the relationship is not repeatedly used. Instead, we provide another word or synonyms to use to the relationship where we can easily understand the whole process itself. So, anyone do have any questions? So that would be the end of our presentation tonight.